What is degloving? It can happen in an instant. The skin and tissue tear away, leaving muscle and bone exposed. A degloving injury doesn't just change your body, it can disrupt your life completely. If this happened to you or someone you love in New York, the damage goes beyond the physical. You may be facing weeks in the hospital, lost income, and the challenge of rebuilding your life. Legal grounds for a claim after a degloving injury. New York law recognizes the life-altering impact of degloving injuries. If someone else's negligence played a role, such as a reckless driver, a careless employer, or defective equipment, then you may be entitled to compensation. These injuries often require long-term treatment, and that means substantial medical bills, lost wages, and lasting pain. A lawyer can help prove liability by showing that someone failed to uphold their legal duty of care. New York also has strict time limits to file a claim. Working with an attorney early can make a difference. Whether it happened on the road, on the job, or during sports, a law firm with personal injury experience can gather evidence and negotiate for the full value of your damages. What is degloving? Degloving occurs when skin is violently separated from the tissue and muscle underneath. It can be open, where the damage is visible, or closed, with internal shearing that may go unnoticed at first. Open injuries often involve machinery, traffic accidents, or scalp trauma. Closed degloving, such as Morel-Lavalle lesions, may fill with fluid and lead to swelling and numbness. Either type is a medical emergency. The exposed structures beneath the skin are highly vulnerable, and without prompt treatment, there's a risk of infection, necrosis, or permanent loss of function. What causes degloving injuries in New York? In New York, these injuries frequently result from industrial accidents, car crashes, and falls. Construction workers are especially vulnerable, particularly around heavy equipment or rotating parts. Motorcyclists face high risk in road accidents where limbs are dragged or pinned. Athletes in contact or extreme sports can suffer closed degloving from blunt impacts. Even animal bites or falls from heights have been known to tear skin from muscle. A law firm familiar with local injury claims will recognize how these common accidents happen, and help pinpoint who's legally responsible. What does treatment involve? Treatment begins with saving as much healthy tissue as possible. Surgery may include debridement, grafts, or flap procedures. Recovery is often staged, with multiple surgeries. Physical therapy and pain management follow. For severe cases, amputation and prosthetics may be part of the recovery. New York law helps cover medical costs through Workers' Compensation Law Section 13 and Public Health Law Section 2805. But if negligence caused your injury, an attorney can help you pursue full compensation beyond those minimums. A lawyer ensures nothing is overlooked, from surgical expenses to the cost of future care. At Kucher Law Group, we understand how devastating a degloving injury can be. Our attorneys work to recover damages for medical care, lost income, and quality of life. Call 929-563-6780 or visit us at 463 Pulaski Street, No. 1C, Brooklyn, New York, 11221. Let our law firm fight for your future.